My very first ever dream bag was a Chanel classic flap. So Chanel has always been my first love. These bags go for $2,000 above retail. So I got this one below retail, which is crazy. What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I want to share with you a Chanel handbag reveal. Now this bag I just received yesterday, unboxed it, and I instantly fell in love. And I'm so glad that I was able to get it because it is one of the most hardest bags to get, and it's one of the most coveted Chanel bags this year. It is so cute and gorgeous. It is from the 22S collection, and the bag arrived in this box. In this video, I'm going to give you my first impressions, my thoughts, why I think it's such a great bag, why it may not be such a great bag if you've missed out or if you're someone who cannot find it for retail or close to retail. This is the third Chanel bag that I purchased this year. So I have two more Chanel bags that I purchased before this that are arriving from Japan. So it could take 2 months to get here. So I'm just counting down the weeks, literally. I know it's going to take a while. So once I receive those bags, I'm going to reveal it and share with you. But in the meantime, I want to share with you this bag. I was only supposed to stick to my wish list. I didn't plan on purchasing any more bags because I do have a pretty big bag collection. I'm still curating my bag collection, seeing what works for me because I'm just a bag lover. I'm such a bag whore. I love bags so much. Yeah, I don't know how this happened. This was not a planned purchase at all. I purchased it for fear of missing out, and also because it's one of the most coveted, hottest bags of the season. It's just so cute, and it was love at first sight, and it's easy to style. It looks great. It's a fun bag, and I'm so glad that I got it. About 3 or 4 weeks ago, I kept telling myself if I was able to get this bag at retail or below, like as if like at retail or just a bit above retail, then I'm happy, then I'll be able to purchase it. I didn't want to spend an extra $2,000 just to get a bag. I've done it before, such as the My Perfect Mini. I paid way over. I paid like something like $2,500 over retail. Crazy, right? Never again. Really grateful that I was able to get it for the price that I did. So I have packaged it up for the purpose of this video. I'm going to share with you what it comes with first. So it came with a whole bunch of goodies. So the first thing that came with was the original receipt. Now this one came from the Chanel Castlereagh Sydney boutique, and I love purchasing Chanel bags with the original Australian receipts because I love Australian receipts. It's in English and it's clear, and you know exactly like which boutique it came from. It also came with 4 Chanel dust bags, which is crazy. That is so sweet of her to include all these dust bags. So it came with 2 white classic dust bags, and then it also came with 2 black dust bags. These dust bags are for seasonal bags. And then it also came with these 2 booklets. The first booklet is, you know, the cleaning, buffing, cloth care instructions, and the second booklet, which is what my medium large rose gold 17B classic flap was missing, was one of these booklets. You get this booklet when you purchase a classic flap. So this is the store stamp booklet. This one is unstamped. I love all the extras. Let's get straight into unboxing it. I mean, I'm obsessed and I'm so in love. I love a Chanel unboxing. Magnetic box. Came with black tissue paper. I'm just obsessed. Revealing to you. Ta-da! So this here is the Chanel CC in Love large heart bag in black. It is so cute. This was literally love at first sight. I'll give you a quick close up. How cute is it? It is so cute. You've got the zipper heart detail with the CC on one side, nothing on the other side. These things here, their chain, it's on a diagonal. When I was watching videos, I couldn't actually see if both was attached on the back or on a diagonal of the bag. My first impressions of this bag was that the size was perfect. The size was so cute. They call it the large, but it's actually not that large at all. It actually looks larger on camera or on Instagram than it does in person. It's just the cutest size. It is the perfect length crossbody. It looks great crossbody. It looks great on the shoulder, holding it as a clutch. It's great if you hold it like this as well by the chain. It's a great looking bag, and it is easy to style. It is so easy to style, maybe because it's black, because I find black bags really easy to style. That's why a lot of my bag collection is black. It just looks great on any outfit, like dressy, casual. It's a perfect all-rounder type of bag. The second impression of this bag was that it is so light. It's a lightweight bag. My next impression of this bag was that the chain is really sparkly. It catches light so nicely. So it's a great evening bag. Your chain will sparkle. My next impression of this bag is that I love the flap detail. So it's quite classic. Not only does it have the CC turn lock, it's got the classic flap detail. I've got a liner in the front there. You put a face mask in there. Another thing that I love about this bag, that Mona Lisa pocket. So it's still staying quite true to classic Chanel, where you've got that Mona Lisa pocket. So imagine if they didn't have anything on the back and it was plain, it wouldn't really make the bag, right? So you put like a credit card, a travel card or whatnot in the back pocket there. Another thing that I absolutely love about this bag, yeah, the heart detail is really cute on the zipper pull, which is great. It's on one side. I love the interior lining, which is burgundy, which is very true to classic Chanel. So I love a black bag with burgundy interior and gold hardware detailing. This is light gold hardware. The zipper, it looks a lot more yellow than this. So it's like a light gold and then classic yellow gold zipper. You can see the interior lining of the back pocket. Love that detail. It's got the CC logo on both sides. I've got some stuff in there at the moment, so I'm going out tonight. It's a little bit of a fidgety type of a bag. So you do have to sort of play Tetris a little bit with this because of the shape of the bag. However, it does fit all my essentials. Perfect as a going out bag, because I don't really carry that much. I'll share with you what I've got in my bag. I've got my Calvi card holder. You know how much I love that, Rose Beaupré. I've got my Chanel classic card holder. I've got a little Zumoni pouch thing where I've got my favorite YSL lipstick. I've got a Chanel perfume, Chanel No. 5. I absolutely love Chanel No. 5. And I've got some chewing gum. So I leave this in here so it doesn't scratch or spray all over the interior of my bags. And then I also have a First Aid Beauty hand cream. And the last thing that I have in my bag is this Chanel blotting paper compact. Love this. Not only is it really cute and discreet, it's thin, it's got a mirror, and then you've also got these blotting sheets that have the Chanel logo all over it. It says Chanel made in France. And then in here you've got the microchip, and then you've got 2 slip pockets, which is made of leather, but the rest of the inside is fabric lined. So I've shared with you my first impressions. Now I'm going to share with you what I think of the bag. Is the bag worth it? In my opinion, yes. If you're a Chanel lover, especially if you can get it at retail or below, it still has the classic features such as the CC turn lock and the classic flap. The perfect size for going out. It will hold your essentials. It looks great on. It's super cute. It goes with everything, especially if you get the black, or maybe if you get the purple. I think the purple is really cute as well. I would love a purple in the smaller size of this. If you want to be a little bit more girly, that purple is like the perfect purple. The last heart bag that was released from Chanel was in the 90s, which was about 25 to 30 years ago. Is the bag worth it? Yes, because it could be another 30 years before Chanel release another heart bag. I think Chanel should have made a lot more girly fun colors in this, because it is a heart shape, such as red, perfect for Valentine's Day. I don't know if there's a lot of red lovers out there. Baby pink. How could they not make a Chanel heart bag in baby pink? Because they know a lot of girls would have loved it in baby pink instead of that like neon bright sort of pink. Chanel should have made this in green. I know a lot of green Chanel lovers out there, and I think Chanel should have released this bag in caviar leather, like an iridescent caviar leather, such as an iridescent pink, iridescent green, iridescent lilac, like even a red, iridescent black, iridescent white. And also another feature that I think Chanel should have done with this bag is if they had made a slip pocket on top of this little flap here so that you can maybe slide a little bit more things in, that would have been perfect. Because when I first saw this bag, I thought, oh, would there be like a little hidden compartment there we can slide something in? Because you know, I love little compartments and stuff like that. You know, if you can get this bag whilst it's still relatively affordable, even at above retail, try to jump on it, because I think these bags will double in price to about 16,000 Australian dollars, especially if Chanel do not release a heart bag for another 25 to 30 years. If this bag was released pre-pandemic, I think that the price of this bag would be about $6,000 max, but because of the pandemic, the constant Chanel price increases and inflation, petrol prices, etc., what's going on in the world. This bag currently retails for 8,050 Australian dollars. It is expensive. It is up there in price. I purchased this one for 7,999 Australian dollars, so a little bit below retail, which I'm so happy with. But for those of you who want to purchase this one for fear of missing out, or you're struggling to get your hands on one of these at a decent price, think of it as this way. This is literally just a Chanel camera bag that is in the shape of a heart. So if you're someone who, you know, are kicking yourself that you're not able to get your hands on one, or you've missed the boat, or it's too late, just think of it as a Chanel camera bag that's overpriced and that's too hyped up because of the shape of the bag. So it was 8,400 PayPal posted, or 7,999 bank transfer posted. Of course, I'm going to go the bank transfer route because this seller I've actually purchased from before, a long time ago. Trusted seller, of course, and she's just a beautiful person. Fast shipping as well. Everything was like just absolutely perfect. This bag was purchased in April. I'm filming this video in April, so end of April. So this bag is only, well, less than 3 weeks old. I got really lucky because even pre-loved, I actually haven't seen a pre-loved one of these because everyone's holding on to them, and I've seen these on Japanese websites for 14,000 Australian dollars. And then I said, you know what, I really want this bag. I'll just grab it, and if anything it doesn't work out for me, I can always resell it and get my money back. And as soon as I received it, which is like 2 days later, I just fell in love. The size was just cute, it's just perfect, and it's lightweight, and it goes with everything. It goes with my wardrobe and it looks really cute on. So this bag was in excellent condition. The only way to note is that I had some superficial marks on the smoothness. I think it was on this side. So it's got that mark there, which is, I mean, this bag is going to mark in a way, but the great thing with buying pre-loved is that I bought a lot of brand new Chanel bags, and sometimes I'm just scared to take it out on its first maiden voyage, and it does take me a while to let the bag marinate on the shelf and then muster up the courage to actually take it out for the first time, which is quite silly, right? Because if you buy something, you want to use it straight away. I look after my things quite well. When you're buying something like this, you don't have to really worry about taking it out for the first time for the thought of being scared of scratching it or it being used. You live your life only once, so I'm trying to go through and use my whole bag collection as much as possible and enjoy what I have and really get to know my style a lot more. And I'm trying to shop a lot less because I've got so many bags, and it's hard to rotate your bags when you have such a huge collection, because when I have such a huge collection, this is from my experience, you tend to just gravitate towards a certain number of bags because it's easy. I remember a few years ago, Jerusha got bashed for buying pre-loved. There was such a thing called pre-loved bashing. That was probably about 6 years ago, but times have changed, and recycling, upcycling, buying pre-loved, buying from resellers, buying from Japanese consignment stores, buying from Bestiaire, buying from Fashion File. This is the new normal nowadays, and it's a great thing because we're upcycling and we're giving bags a new lease on life, which is a great thing because you're helping the environment. And that's what I love about buying pre-loved, because you can find bargains, you can find like awesome buys, even though this was still really expensive, but I didn't want to pay over retail. I absolutely love it. It's so cute and adorable, and I know that it is lambskin, so it will wear, but I love Chanel lambskin. I just love lambskin because it's so luxurious, and I do love that Chanel have made this in lambskin, so that those of you who have never purchased a lambskin bag before, you know, you get a taste of lambskin and then you can see the beauty of it and really enjoy Chanel for what it was originally known for, which is the lambskin, which is luxurious. Because back in the day, a classic flat, medium large caviar and a classic flat, medium large lambskin, the lambskin one costs about 10%, 15% more than the caviar ones. So only those who had more money would be able to afford the lambskin classic flap instead of the caviar ones, and that's why caviar was quite popular, because it was the cheaper bag. A lot of the French go for the luxuriousness of lambskin, and this is what you're paying for, because lambskin is delicate, yes, but it's beautiful and it looks glorious. It just makes my heart sing. How cute. It's about the same size as a square mini. The square mini can definitely fit a lot more, can definitely fit a phone in it. This one can fit my phone, but I wouldn't be able to fit much more in it. That flap detail is so cute. Stunning. Just so we can see a little bit of eye candy, I brought out my Chanel Paris Dubai pearly clutch. It's got the classic flap detail. Very cute, very, very cute. But yeah, isn't this so aesthetically pleasing? I was actually thinking of selling this bag once because I got the same bag, but it was a top edge stitching with this silver hardware. Because I wasn't a big fan of age gold hardware back in the day. I do prefer like classic yellow gold, but the yellow gold in this, the age gold hardware in this really pops. Can you see how it looks like 24 karat gold plated hardware because it's that yellow. This is a stunning bag. I'm glad they kept it. I would love to get the top edge stitch square mini with the gold plated hardware, and then I'll probably let this one go. But I do love this because the reason why I love this is because of the puffy sides. It's cute because these sides bulge out. Can you see that little, oh, so adorable. So I love this bag. I love square minis. They're a fantastic little bag. If you're a Chanel lover, a square mini is a must. Would love to know your thoughts on the Chanel camera heart bag. Is it on your wish list? Is it a fear of missing out type of bag? Is it a unicorn, or is it just the new next it bag and then in a few months time no one will be talking about it? This is quite hyped. It's just as hyped as Chanel 21P. I think that this is a unicorn bag, definitely. Will the hype die? Will the trend die? I don't think it will anytime soon. I think for the next 10-15 years it will still be hyped and really loved because it is a heart shape. I still think that this is just one of the, not an it bag, but it just looks great on any outfit, like dressy, casual. It's an all-rounder. It's a perfect all-rounder type of bag. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care until next time. I will see you in my next video. Bye.